This is the Potato Book, and this is the Potato Book's brother. But today we're just focusing on the Potato Book. It's in better days, I guess. Yes, I think so. But today let's just change it because it's disgusting. Alright, so we have here some cleaning supplies, some computer wipes, got for safety, a dry cloth, and some wet cloth. Let's just start off by cleaning the screen. I've got here my wet cloth ready. Oh god, so much dirt. I do not know how it got like this. Alright, now we're going to go to the dry cloth. Yes. Somehow it got much dirt here. I do not know why. Alright, another wet cloth. Let's just clean the extra if we can here. Alright, I have a toothpick here. Just going to pick out the mud because there isn't any rubber left in here. Okay, just a little bit more of this. Alright, I've got it clean. Now I guess another wipe and just clean it over here. Everywhere we can so it doesn't look that bad. Yes, so we're okay with the exterior. This is its shell. Now we're going to move on to the back. The neat thing about this computer is you just do this and it's out. Mostly here on the thermal pad, but I guess we're okay. So that was it for today. If you liked it, drop a like, I guess. Then, if you like those types of videos, subscribe. And this was the first video from the edition Potato Book. So stay tuned for the next episodes. I'll see you in the next video. For then, goodbye.